Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 4 things about strings in Ruby. Number 1, you can use single quote or double quotes to define a string and use the backslash character to escape either a single quote or a double quote. Number 2, use the hash character with curly braces for expression substitution. For example, on line 11, I'm calculating 5 times 4 minus 1 with inputs using the hashtag and curly braces. Number 3, you can use the percent operator with arbitrary delimiters to define a string. On line 15, I'm using curly braces with the percent operator, and on line 16, I'm using square brackets. On line 17, I'm using lowercase q with the percent operator to prevent the string interpolation from happening. This means that the variable 3 will not be substituted by its value. Last but not the least, number 4. You can also use the built-in string methods in Ruby. On line 23, I'm using the downcase method to convert the string to all lowercase. Next, I'm using the capitalize method to capitalize the first letter and upcase to convert the string to uppercase. The chop method will chop off the last character, and the length method will get you the length of the string. Finally, the reverse method will reverse the string. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.